Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling clear proof of ownership, the original receipt, the iPhone serial or IMEI, and a photo ID. If you are the original owner, make sure you recall the Apple ID email and password or have access to the account recovery options. Once done, sign into iCloud. Com or gather these documents to take to Apple support. These items are necessary because Apple will only remove activation lock for verified owners. This prevents unauthorized bypasses and protects stolen devices. Next, use the authorized channels. If you know the Apple ID, sign into iCloud. Go to Find My, select the device and remove it from the account. If you cannot sign in, contact Apple support directly and open a request for activation lock removal, providing the receipt and device identifiers. Alternatively, ask the original owner to remove the phone from their account remotely. These official methods protect security and ensure Apple can validate ownership before lifting the lock. Finally, visit an Apple store or an Apple authorized service provider with the phone, your receipt showing matching serial/IMEI, and a government ID. A genius or agent will review and, if validated, remove activation lock. If they cannot verify ownership, they will decline and advise next steps, so bring any backup evidence such as original packaging or seller communications. If problems continue, document the support case number and escalate through Apple's official channels. This preserves your record.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.